Welcome back. Now in this video, we are going to set up the integrations that you are going to be using in Clickfunnels. And to do that, we're going to come on this left side menu. We're going to click Integrations. What you're going to do then is you're going to click Add New Integration. And you're going to see 5 categories of integrations. And the first is going to be email. And this is going to be your autoresponder service. And you can use any of the available autoresponder services that are here. For example, in this case, we're going to use GetResponse as an example. Now, Clickfunnels will ask that you give your GetResponse account, and that's because you may use more than one account of GetResponse. So you're going to want to nickname one of them. Then we're going to need to go to our GetResponse account to get the API key. Once you're inside, you're then going to need to go to your account. Once you're at your account, then you will need to then go to your integrations. Now, it's important to note at this stage that each autoresponder is going to be different, so you'll need to look for the information that Clickfunnels is calling for. In this case, Clickfunnels is calling for the API of GetResponse. So we're going to go to this link inside of GetResponse. We're then going to copy the API key. We're then going to come back to Clickfunnels and we're going to place that API key and paste it, and we're going to click Add Integration. That means then that we have now added GetResponse as one of the autoresponders that we can use inside of our pages. And you can add in multiple email services. For example, we can also add in MailChimp. We would then come inside of our MailChimp account. We would then go to our profile. Once we do that, we go to the extra section and we click API keys. We would then create an API key. We copy that API key inside of the MailChimp integration, and then MailChimp will be successfully updated. And we work similarly through each of the areas: webinar, messaging, delivery, and actions. And once we've connected all of our systems, we are then ready to use them with our Clickfunnels pages. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.